Categories for quizzes and questions. I'm just going to go through simply how to add them with the editing turned on. Just come down to the administration block, come in here and click on question bank. And you can see the question bank and it's got questions, categories. So we're going to start with the categories. We add those. It brings up a list of all questions that are available to the course. If you're going to build it, you've got to make sure your questions are where they can be seen. I've just been adding the RPL questions, and underneath we've got Cert 2, Cert 3, Cert 3 in legal, Cert 3 in education, business, so all of the categories of RPL questions. If I want to create a new category from scratch, I just come down to the bottom, it says add category, and I like to put it into the business admin top layer. So it's a new category, so we put in here that we're going to add test questions. I'll call it that. I can delete it later on. And I just put in some details, questions to create category. Put in some details so you can find the questions and you know what they are. They're easier to update. You press add a category. You'll see the screen again. You come down to the default for admin and you come in here and it's alphabetical, so you just scroll down till you see test questions and there they are there. So when I add a new question I can edit it by touching this and I can change the details there. I can move it sideways so it's a subcategory, and if I want to create subcategories in there I come down to here until I find test questions, which is at the bottom, and then I add a subcategory of element 1 for argument's sake. Element 1 questions. Seems like a lot of trouble to go to, but basically it keeps everything neat and tidy, and for audit it tells you exactly where they are. And once we've done that, you can see that down the bottom we have no questions in the test question. We have a subcategory of element 1, and then we add questions into there. So it's very straightforward to do that. And if you wanted to delete them, then you can just press the delete button and it will ask you, yes, I want to continue it. I just need to go back because it's decided not to do it. And you can see that it's deleted the element 1, and if I want to delete this one, it's the same process. I just press the button. Hopefully this time it will just delete it, and you can see it's gone. Now if there are questions in there and the students have used those questions, I don't recommend that you delete them because it will delete those questions as well, and someone else's. So be very careful. These are the categories you use them in, and then you put your questions inside there. It's very simple.